Here's the brutal truth most creators don't want to hear. 91% of YouTube videos never even crack 1,000 views. And it's not because your content isn't good enough. It's because your scripts are failing to hook viewers in those critical first 15 seconds, causing them to bounce faster than a rubber ball. When YouTube sees your average view duration sitting at a measly 22%, while your competitors are hitting 65%, the algorithm essentially puts your channel in timeout. But what if I told you there's an AI system that's been quietly revolutionizing how creators write scripts, and it's not the generic tools everyone's using? This isn't another ChatGPT tutorial that leaves you with robotic content that sounds like it was written by a computer having a bad day. Most creators face three massive roadblocks when it comes to scripting. First, you're probably not naturally gifted at writing scripts that keep people watching. You might have incredible ideas and valuable knowledge, but translating that into compelling content that maintains viewer attention is a completely different skill set. Without proper training in storytelling techniques, pacing strategies, and viewer psychology, even your most brilliant insights can get lost in poor execution. Second, creating exceptional scripts is incredibly time-intensive. Even if you had the skills, transforming a decent script into something truly exceptional often requires 15 to 20 hours of focused work. Most creators simply don't have that luxury when the algorithm demands consistent, regular content uploads. Third, hiring professional scriptwriters can cost anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per script. For most creators, that's financially impossible, especially when you're just starting out or trying to scale your content production. This is exactly where TubeMargic AI changes everything. Unlike generic AI tools that produce cookie-cutter content, this system has been specifically designed to understand YouTube's unique requirements for viewer retention and engagement. The secret lies in what I call the comprehensive knowledge integration approach. While tools like ChatGPT operate with general knowledge, TubeMargic AI allows you to create specialized knowledge boards where you can upload multiple sources of information about your video topic. This includes YouTube videos from your niche, research articles, blog posts, and even your own voice memos. But here's where it gets really interesting. The system doesn't just analyze this content superficially. It creates connections between different pieces of information, understanding not just what to say, but how to structure that information for maximum psychological impact. The retention optimization framework built into TubeMargic AI incorporates advanced psychological triggers that most creators have never even heard of. We're talking about pattern interrupt techniques that grab attention instantly, curiosity loops that keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video, and strategic tension management that prevents the dreaded mid-video drop-off. For example, the system automatically implements what psychologists call the information gap theory. Instead of giving viewers everything up front, it strategically withholds key information, creating an irresistible urge to keep watching. It also uses future pacing statements that paint vivid pictures of what the viewer's life will look like after watching the video. One of the most powerful features is the voice replication capability. By analyzing your previous videos, the AI learns your unique speaking patterns, vocabulary choices, and personality traits. This means every script it generates sounds authentically like you, not like generic AI content that immediately signals to viewers that it's computer-generated. The workflow is remarkably simple. You create topic-specific information groups, upload relevant content about your video subject, and include a collection of your previous videos for voice analysis. The AI then synthesizes all this information using proven psychological frameworks to create scripts that are specifically optimized for YouTube's algorithm. But the real magic happens in the micro-level details. The system knows exactly where viewers typically drop off during videos and preemptively counters these moments with engagement techniques. It uses bridge statements during transitions, incorporates strategic questions at critical moments, and structures reveals in a way that maintains curiosity throughout the entire video. The script analysis feature is particularly impressive. You can upload your existing scripts and receive detailed feedback on how to improve them for better retention. The system identifies missing psychological triggers, suggests stronger hooks, and provides specific recommendations for increasing viewer engagement. When you compare this to manual script writing or generic AI tools, the difference is staggering. Manual writing takes hours and often lacks the psychological sophistication needed for high retention. Generic AI produces content that sounds robotic and fails to incorporate YouTube-specific optimization strategies. Testing has shown that videos created using this system consistently achieve higher retention rates, better algorithmic performance, and increased subscriber growth. The combination of psychological optimization, voice authenticity, and YouTube-specific features creates a powerful advantage that generic tools simply cannot match. For creators serious about growing their channels, this represents a fundamental shift in content creation efficiency. Instead of spending entire days crafting a single script, you can produce optimized content in minutes while maintaining the quality and authenticity that audiences demand. The future belongs to creators who leverage specialized AI tools designed specifically for their platform and audience. While others struggle with generic solutions, those using purpose-built systems like TubeMargic AI will consistently outperform in retention, engagement, and algorithmic recommendation. Your next breakthrough video might be just one perfectly optimized script away.